Aryan ma mana ibrikun? Kettle. Varda ma mana ibrikun? Kettle. Anaiza ma mana ibrikun? Kettle. Bisma ma mana ibrikun? Very good. Ibrahim ma mana ibrikun? Kettle. Halima ma mana ibrikun? Very good. Abdul Wahab ma mana ibrikun? Kettle. And Abdul Wase ma mana ibrikun? Very good. Pura ma mana ibrikun? Kettle. Ma mana ibrikun? Very good. Anaya ma mana ibrikun? Very good. Mashallah. Muhammad ma mana ibrikun? Mashallah.
Ma mana ibrikun? Kettle. Ma mana ibrikun? Very good.